Hey, you. Want to join me in the world of coding? I promise it'll be more fun than you think. Hit that subscribe button and let's create some tech magic together. We're building a program that determines how many degrees of separation exist between two actors. This concept is based on the idea that anyone in Hollywood is connected to anyone else by a chain of co-starring relationships. For example, if actor A worked with actor B in a movie, then there is 1 degree of separation between them. If actor A worked with actor B and actor B worked with actor C, then actor A and actor C are 2 degrees apart. The goal of the program is to find the shortest path between two actors through their co-stars using a graph of movies and actors. A graph is just a way to represent connections, where actors are nodes and movies are edges that connect the actors who work together. The challenge is finding the shortest path between two actors using breadth first search, which is a way to explore all possible connections level by level. Here is the Python code. This function builds the graph. We use a dictionary where each actor is a key, and the value is a list of movies they have worked in. Each movie is a set of actors. This function uses breadth first search to find the shortest path, degree of separation, between two actors. If there is no path, it returns -1. They are the same actor, no separation. Q stores the actor and their degree of separation. Found the target actor. Return the degree of separation. No path found between the two actors. Example, movie data. Building the graph from movie data. Now, let's find the degree of separation between two actors. Call the function to find the degree of separation. Print the result. Now, run our code. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. I'd love to have you as part of the community. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.